y'all, welcome back to another video on my channel. It's your girl Carol the Diva, and I just want to say I know it's been a long time since I've been on here making videos and stuff like that, but I was moving, so I do apologize for the wait for the videos, but they're coming. Anyway, for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys some glasses from one of my favorite glasses companies, Zeelool, of course. And I'm not really sure how much I have in this box, so we're going to find out together. Most of the time, I don't know how much I have, and I don't know what I got. So I'm always so surprised with you guys. So we have 6 pairs today that I'm going to be showing you guys. So let's go ahead and see them together. Here's the first pair, you guys. Oh, okay. I have to say I really like this one so far, just because it looks like something that I would have put my prescription in. And this is very similar to the one that I actually do have my prescription in. So let's go ahead and try this one on. Okay. See what I'm saying? This is definitely something you could put your prescription in and wear daily. It's the very first one I try on, and I really like it. I love how simple it looks, and it looks like something that would work for almost any face shape. So I think that's something that I absolutely love about it. I think this one definitely take the cake. I really don't have a bad thing to say about it. So with all that said, let's move on to the second pair. Okay, the second pair is another simple one, another small one that I could definitely put my prescription in, and this is what it looks like, y'all, up close. Okay, it doesn't look bad on my face. I just don't like the way it fit. Do you see how it's hanging off right here over my ear? I think it's a little bit too wide for my face, but it does look good in the front. Other than it being too wide for me, I think it's fine. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is not gonna be one of my favorite at all, only because of that. Other than it being too big for me, I think this is also a very nice pair. So with that said, let's move on to glasses number 3. So here's the third pair, you guys. Oh, I love this one so much. I have so many glasses that at this point I'm thinking I have this one already, but I'm not sure. But I really love the way this one looks. I think it looks really good. It looks kind of like marble. Maybe it is marble, because it looks more like marble to me than cheetah print, but I absolutely love it. It looks really good on me. So yeah, I love this one. I definitely think I might be wearing this evening to go outside. Why not? It feels very snug on my face. It's not moving. It's not touching my lashes. All of that is definitely making me love it so much more than the other two. And I love the color. I love the way it fits on my face. It's not sliding off, nothing like that. I love the size. I love everything about this one. So I think so far this one would definitely be my favorite. Anyway, with all that said, we're gonna move on to the fourth pair. So here we go. The fourth one is pretty similar to the one I just tried. Wouldn't you guys say so? Look at it. It is so similar to the one I just tried. I absolutely love this one as well. I'm not even surprised that I do, because it's so similar to the one that I just tried. It's not touching my lashes, and the weight of it is not heavy either. It's not sliding down, nothing like that. It's fitting me as good as the one before, so they are very similar in a lot of ways. I actually think I might like it more than the one I tried before, but I don't know, maybe they are both tied for the same spot for number 1. So let's move on and try on the 5th pair. Okay, here we go, y'all. I know I had this one before in blue. I can't tell if I had it in any other color, but I know for a fact that I had this one here in blue. But it looks really nice, so let's go ahead and try it on. Okay. I love it. I might be a little biased right now just because of the color. And yes, that's what I absolutely love about it. It feels a little twisted. I absolutely love it. It's very snug. It's fitting tightly on my face, not touching my lashes, and also it's not falling down or anything like that. And I absolutely love the color. As I'm looking at the ones I tried so far, they all have brown or black in it. Zeelool know what they were doing when they sent these to me. They know my color. Usually I don't like these shades when they're so big. If you go back and watch my other glasses video with the blue one, you'll see what I said about it. But I love this one so much. I love it. And I really believe it's because of the color. Sometimes you just gotta know what works with you. You know what I'm saying? And this definitely worked. This one works along with the other ones that I try, and I know for a fact that it's because of the colors. Anyway, we're gonna move on to the very last one, so let's do that. So here we go, y'all. Oh Lord, the very last one have color. I guess I spoke too quick, but we'll see how we like this one. Let's go ahead and try it on. I don't know. I'm a little speechless because of the roundish looking frame. I'm not very used to myself in those, but it does not look bad at all. The pop of color is not bad, and I love that it's green because, you know, green, nature. It's definitely not my favorite one so far, but you know me, I love me some cheetah print, so maybe that's the reason why I absolutely love it. I don't think I took one out today that I did not like. The second one, like I said before, it was a little bit too big for my face, too wide, but that was the only problem. But yeah, this is not bad at all, even with the color. The color looks fine to me. It's not touching my lashes either. It's not falling off, nothing like that. It's not feeling heavy on my face, nothing like that. So I love it. I like these two a lot that I showed you guys before. I like these two a lot. And then I tried this one on, this one right here. I tried that on and I really like it. And then the one I'm wearing right now, I really like it too. Plus the very first one, I absolutely love this one as well, just because it looks very simple and it's just ready. Like, just throw it on, you're good. So it's kind of hard to decide right now which is my favorite. I just can't choose. I want to know from you guys which one you like the best, so let me know down in the comment box. So remember guys, if you want to find some of these glasses and others that looks just as good as these are better, go to Zeelool.com to find them. I will link them down below so you guys can find them easily. I'll also leave a discount code, because who doesn't love a discount code? If you have any questions, go ahead and ask them down below. Again, I do apologize for waiting so long to come back on my channel with my videos, but I'm gonna have all my videos coming in, so definitely look out for that. I got my place set up. I'm not even done setting up, but you know, I gotta do what I gotta do so I can start making my videos for you guys again. But anyway, if you have any questions, ask them down below. Thank you again so much for tuning in, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.